Welcome back to the series. So far, we've covered marketplace app capabilities on Bubble, plus core customizable features like searching, creating listings, and even setting up custom payment. In this final marketplace series video, we're going to dive into some examples of actual marketplace apps that have been built on Bubble. These apps were built by our own clients, and they had no technical coding skills when they got started. So if you're thinking about building a marketplace app as a non-tech founder, this should leave you feeling confident of what's possible when you decide to take development into your own hands. We're going to cover 3 different examples in this video of marketplace apps, each for different use cases. And for each example, we'll also talk about the ways that they have been customized. So we're going to get started with the first one here. Just going to share my screen. All right. So this is Zebrahood, which connects users with walking tours in cities and neighborhoods that they want to explore. The primary functionality of this application is really the search to help people find the exact walk that's going to suit them. So whether it is by level of difficulty, by distance, just in general, the area that they want to be in, if they want to do something that's more kind of food related, hitting up, different food areas, food tour type of walk, or more sites to see in the area, she's giving them the capability to do that with her search functionality. So it's connecting people with these walks. So as a user, I can start by searching just cities in general from here, or actual neighborhoods. If I know specifically where I want to go, I'm going to go ahead and choose cities here and select Brisbane. And from here, I've now seen the walks filtered to that city only. And you can see from the search results, I'm getting a snapshot of each individual walk. And then once I go into one, I'll get the full details of the walk itself. Okay, so here I have everything about the walk. I can see reviews that, from other users to see how, how good the walk is, different properties like the distance, best time of day to do this walk, level of difficulty, cuisine options in the area that I might run into. And one of the more custom features for this app is this interactive map. This is something that is supposed to help users guide them on their walk as they're doing it in real time. So not only do we have, the list of stops all nicely organized in order, but we can actually see where we are on the map to help orient the users. And all of this is powered by different, custom logic and functionality that you can build in on Bubble. All right, so this is something that I'm doing as a user who's not logged in, but if I were to sign up, I could also do things like saving walks to my favorites so that I can come back to them. I can also create walks myself. If I'm a local that really knows the area, I can come in here and contribute to the marketplace. So that's the first application. Obviously, this is more mobile focused because we understand that our users are going to be on the go. Let's go on to the next one. All right, so our next example is Uni Acquire by our client Clayton, and he actually had his application featured on Product Hunt, which was awesome to see. Made it to the number 5 product of the day earlier this year. And his app is a marketplace for buying and selling businesses. It connects business owners with investors, anybody interested in purchasing or acquiring a business, with each other in as seamless of a flow as possible. There's usually a lot of details for a business, a lot of paperwork involved, a lot of forms. And this is not only helping those details get organized, in a way that makes it easy to consume all that information, but also bringing these folks together, allowing business owners to find potential sellers and allowing sellers who are interested in acquiring businesses to find folks who are selling. So this is a live application. You can head over to it, uniacquire.com, to check it out. I'm just going to click through the screenshots here because we get a nice snapshot of what's going on inside of the application. So this first one here gives us a good taste of what the search is like for this, right? Every marketplace is likely going to have a very custom search feature that allows you to find the things that you're looking for with, customizable filters and sorting options. In this case, because we have a lot of numbers involved, there are a variety of number inputs to create ranges for filtering down on price. Of course, by different industry, number of employees. It's very unique to the content that is, the star of this marketplace. So sellers can come through, add in their preferences, and they can see which projects are available there. So the application, like I said, it is also meant to help people through this process. There's a lot of information. They might be new to this experience. And so kind of guiding them through what they need to know, what they need to detail, is going to help everybody, all sides will benefit from this. So here's an example of a form. And basically, once the two sides are connected, they can take the transaction further from there. They can communicate with each other. Our next example here is Change Republic. This is a marketplace for connecting people and even companies with learning and development experts and consultants. So depending on the project that you want to work with, you can find the right talent to help guide you and lead you, provide their consulting services within that project. This also has a marketplace of programs that you can join in on, where you can book, one-off sessions with the expert. You can book packages with the expert. We'll touch on that in a second here to see kind of the level of pricing that this application has built in for their own flow. So just as a quick snapshot, basically it's allowing users to find these experts skilled in all of these different learning and development training areas. So if I wanted to begin within the marketplace here, let's say I want to look for a specific program. As a logged out user, I can do this general open search, right? And I can see at a high level what the different programs are, who's offering them. We've got a lot of options here. And if I select one, okay, this is a speaking engagement training workshop, I'm taken to the detail page of this particular program. So in one of our previous videos, we talked about passing data between pages or just kind of seeing everything in one page. This is a good example of a very common functionality for marketplaces where you select the thing that you want to engage with, book, purchase, hire, whatever it might be, right? It's the product or the service, and you're taken to a standalone detail page that is unique to that thing. You can see that this has its own ID as well. This allows this page to be shared if you want. And so here I'm only looking about this one specific program. We've got a video embedded on the screen there. I can go to the profile. I can see all the details. And here, as a kind of a paywall sort of situation, we can see that possible delivery options have been masked because I'm not logged in. So you can create these permissions, kind of access rights to different areas of the site, give the user a little taste of what's going on here. But if they want to move forward, they need to take a few more steps of commitment to keep engaging with the site. So, I don't see the pricing quite yet, but I can go ahead and book my initial consultation with the user, fill out a quick form. It shoots off an email to the user, and we can keep moving forward from there. Okay, so a big part of this marketplace is, connecting people with the right skills for individuals. So as a consultant, I can sign up and detail my skills, my expertise, my experience. And then people who are looking for that can find me through my skills. So they don't have to know me by name. They don't have to know where I'm located. We can do virtual sessions, but the skills, those keywords, those tags are really at the core of this application. And of course, if I'm putting up a program, I might tag the program specifically because I might offer different programs that touch on different areas. And from there, in order to move forward and actually, pay the consultants, because this is an example of a marketplace where the buyers, the people in need of these consultants, are going to transact with the consultant themselves. Payments go to the consultants, the platform, right? Change Republic may take a fee out of that, or they might have a subscription model, so that they're also bringing in revenue as well by facilitating this connection between them. So that's another example of really a lot of common marketplace features, and but still making the search capabilities, the connection capabilities more unique to the content that's being put up in the marketplace. All right, so if you are thinking about building a no-code marketplace app, know that you can have full control over customizations just like we've gone over today. And if you want to dive deeper into these, make sure that you check out our full marketplace series if you haven't already. And from here, the next step is to head over to our free extended workshop at coachingnocodeapps.com/workshop to start scoping your marketplace features and learning even more about how to leverage the power of no code. And be sure to subscribe below so you can be the first to catch our next series coming soon.